There's news, there's sense, and there's nuisance. This show is all about that last bit. News 18 India has a new primetime anchor. So, if you manage to survive this guy
देश की सबसे बड़ी बहस
from 7 to 8 p.m., you can then move on to watch Aman Chopra from 8 to 9 p.m. on a show called देश नहीं झुकने देंगे. नया शो, पुराना प्रोपेगेंडा.
हिंदुओं को, कश्मीरी पंडितों को, सिखों को मारने का काम किया जाता है. ये दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है. चुन चुन कर इसी तरह किया जाता है ताकि समाज में खाई पैदा की जा सके. हमें वो खाई पैदा नहीं करने देनी. हमें सबको इकट्ठा जोड़कर रखना है.
चंद्रा जी की दुकान का दाग अच्छे है व्हाइट वॉश पाउडर अब न्यू पैकेजिंग में फॉर अंबानी जी's बिजनेस. कॉलिंग मिस्टर ठाकुर टू स्पीक ऑन कम्युनल हार्मनी. आई हैव सीन एवरीथिंग. ये देख के आप समझ गए होंगे कि अमन चोपड़ा के लिए देश इज इक्वल टू बीजेपी. सो व्हेन ही सेज देश नहीं झुकने दूंगा, ही एक्चुअली मीन्स मैं बीजेपी पे कोई आंच नहीं आने दूंगा, मैं पार्टी को कभी नहीं झुकने दूंगा. एंड ही इज नॉट वेरी डिफरेंट. Almost all news channels have allowed Mr. Thakur to hop and skip away from any real questioning on leading a poisonous slogan at an election rally in Delhi. More on that later. First, let's get Aman Chopra out of the way.
गर फिरदौस बर्रुए ज़मी पर हमीयस्तो हमीयस्तो हमीयस्त.
अगर प्रोपेगेंडा बर्रू टीवी न्यूज़ हमीनस्तो हमीनस्तो हमीनस्तो. Just watch.
ये स्वर्ग हिंदुओं के लिए तो नर्क बना दिया ना.
I think I've heard this before.
जिसे हम और आप जन्नत कहते हैं, क्या वो हिंदुओं के लिए नर्क है क्या?
अमन चोपड़ा, थोड़ी तो स्क्रिप्ट चेंज कर लेते. मतलब ऑडियंस को कुछ तो फील होना चाहिए कि अब तुम ताल ठोक के एक्स्ट्रा स्ट्रॉन्ग के होस्ट नहीं रहे, अब तुम देश नहीं झुकने देंगे के होस्ट हो. मुकेश भाई, इसके 5 रुपए काटिए पुरानी स्क्रिप्ट रिसाइकलिंग करने के लिए और अपने स्क्रिप्ट राइटर्स का थोड़ा बजट बढ़ाइए. ये जी न्यूज़ की स्क्रिप्ट यहाँ भी पेले जा रहे हैं. सीखो अपने कॉलीग अमीश से कुछ अमन. वो भी अपने मास्टर्स की सेवा में कोई कमी नहीं छोड़ता और दिन रात एक ही घिसा पिटा राग अलापता है, वही पुरानी पार्टी लाइन लेता है, लेकिन अपनी अटखेलियों से पब्लिक को एंटरटेन तो करता है. एटलीस्ट ही इज क्यूट टू वॉच.
सावरकर की वीरता का विश्लेषण क्या है, मैं आपको बताता हूँ.
प्लीज बताइए अमीश जी, सावरकर की वीरता का विश्लेषण.
मैं अपनी तरफ से कोई पॉइंट ऐड नहीं करूंगा, सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपको तथ्य निकाल के दिखाऊंगा.
वाओ, आई एम ऑल इयर्स.
आज मैं यंग इंडिया अखबार की मैं कॉपी निकाल के लाया हूँ, जिसको मोहनचंद मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी ने एडिट किया है. एमके गांधी साहब ने एडिट किया है.
स्क्रीन पे एमके गांधी लिखा हुआ था, इसलिए भाई कंफ्यूज हो गए. दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन यू आर सो डिपेंडेंट ऑन अ स्क्रिप्ट बीइंग हैंडेड टू यू दैट यू कांट इवन फिगर द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ एमके ऑन योर ओन. यार, बापू ही बोल देते. इजी टू रिमेंबर, शॉर्ट एंड स्वीट लाइक गुल्लू. You can almost hear his producer panicking in the production room and shouting into his earpiece, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, Amish bhai, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Back to Mr. Aman ki no Asha and the actual point of his debate.
एक चीज कम से कम अच्छी हुई है, कहना नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन आज आतंक का धर्म तो पता लग गया ना. अब कोई नहीं पूछेगा आतंक का धर्म क्या होता है.
Aman, when you had that thought, when you said कहना नहीं चाहिए, you should have actually listened to yourself and not said what you said. आपको कहना नहीं चाहिए था. People are being killed and amid all the gloom and fear and specter of death, you're like, एक अच्छी बात हो गई. Thanks to people being killed, अब मैं खुल के बोल सकता हूँ, Islam is equal to terrorism, आतंक का धर्म is equal to all these Muslim people. Mr. अमन की नो आशा, अपनी mediocrity में थोड़ी सी कॉमेडी ले आओ. Then you'll be up there with अमीश भाई. And you may just be a little watchable. फिलहाल your pure, unadulterated bile is really unwatchable. And that's a lot coming from someone who watches this guy.
There needs to be the run of the gun by the Indian security forces in the Kashmir Valley.
More on him later. First, some facts. Now, Kashmir has witnessed a bloody past few months. Because Arnab and Aman types on TV news have to stick to their script, they will not tell you that of the 7 civilians killed by terrorists in a targeted attack in the first few weeks of October, there were 3 Hindus, 1 Sikh and 3 local Muslims. According to the Kashmir police, the killings were masterminded by the Resistance Front, which they say is a Pakistan-backed terror outfit. What has been extremely disturbing about the recent spate of violence is that there seems to be a pattern of targeting minority Hindus and Sikhs and killing them in cold blood, bringing back memories of the 90s Kashmiri Pandit exodus from the valley. This year, so far, 28 civilians have been killed. Out of these 28 people, 5 people belong to the local Hindu and Sikh community, and 2 people were non-local Hindu labor. Kashmiri Muslims have also borne the bloody brunt of violence and militancy. Let's read some official statements by the police. Killing innocent civilians reflects frustration and barbarism. This is an attempt to defame local Muslims of Kashmir. Killing civilians, including teachers, is a move to attack and damage the age-old tradition of communal harmony and brotherhood in Kashmir. In the midst of all this, 2 mosques set a good precedent by appealing to people to protect minorities and restore their confidence. There are people in Kashmir's civil society condemning the killings. These voices need to be heard and need to be amplified. Of course, you cannot discount the fear among minorities, and there's no doubt that such targeted killings lead to fear psychosis and insecurity and thoughts of an exodus like in the 90s. But guess who's not helping?
कश्मीर है, काबुल, हिंदुओं के लिए जगह नहीं है क्या? यहाँ से पलायन शुरू हो चुका है। ये 90 से ज्यादा खौफनाक भयानक हालात इस वक्त लोग बता रहे हैं। ऐसा खौफनाक मंजर है, लोगों के जहन में डर है, तो पलायन तो मतलब 21 में 90 वाला शुरू हो गया। जन्नत में जमहूरियत के लिए कितनी जाने देगा हिंदू? बड़ी बड़ी बातें की गई, नया कश्मीर, नए कश्मीर में हिंदू कहाँ है भाई?
What many like Aman and Arnab are doing is to use killings of innocent people to parose the same Hindu-Muslim debate for TRPs and take illiberal positions to set a stage for autocratic governments to take over all aspects of life and quash all freedoms. Watch this disgusting display by someone who's known for his disgusting rants on the news. Watch this with horror.
We need the rule of the gun. We need to make our gun visible. We need to make our power visible. We need to not just project our power, but actually use it. That's the language these people understand. That's my view. The rule of the gun must be back in a much stronger way. Please use, and I will specify, strong explosives like C4 explosives. Use through-the-wall radars. Neutralize the terrorists. Neutralize the terrorist supporters. Try to achieve minimum casualties, but don't be afraid of casualties if you are defending national interest. Where is the steely will of 2019? When after removing 370, there was the run of the gun by the Indian security forces. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, there needs to be the run of the gun by the Indian security forces in the Kashmir Valley. We're wasting our time talking elections and democracy with people like the PDP and the NC. In fact, they should be stopped from taking part in elections unless they give a surety of not speaking or acting against national security again. There's no point trying to be too democratic with these people. There's no point. They don't understand it. Terrorists don't understand democracy. And let there be fear, General Bakshi, of the gun. That's the language these people understand.
Just notice how Arnab uses they and them instead of specifying or limiting his utterances to a crackdown on militancy. Because ultimately, what he wants is a crackdown on the entire population of Kashmir. This news anchor is asking the world's largest democracy to basically crush democracy. Guess who sponsored the show?
One of the Gun, presented by Amity University, powered by RP Sanjeev Goenka Group, Century Ply, Peps Mattresses, and Dettol.
Congratulations, guys, you must be really proud. In all of this, there was the farce of paying homage to 5 army jawans who were killed by terrorists who had infiltrated in Poonch.
You can save your
Who
rants
says no? You
for
don't
later.
contribute them.
After we have
Hey, you
paid
are
the
talking
tribute.
as if somebody is telling you not to contribute them.
Can you let us pay a tribute?
Please don't tell like
you
this.
Miserable.
You are talking as if somebody is
miserable
stopping you. Nobody is stopping you from
Don't
giving
say
that
like
tribute.
this. I'll use worse
And this is-
language.
this is
we
your
want to pay a
responsibility for all
tribute.
this
You
nonsense.
understand?
But
You
you
shut
keep
up,
silence.
all right?
It's always
You
the
shut
trouble
up. We've allowed people like this
You
to
shut
yak.
up. You shut up.
Yak. That is the bloody problem.
Shut up.
Shut up.
You shut up, allow us to speak.
Could there be anything more insulting to the memories of soldiers who died than this ugly shouting match? Well, one of the men who died for his country was Sepoy Gajjan Singh of Panchranda village in Ropar. And guess what, Arnab? He supported the farmers' protest.
Gajjan was a farmer at heart and used to work with me like his elder brothers in the fields. But he always used to talk about joining the army. When he came home in February for marriage, the farmers' protest against the 3 agricultural laws was at its peak, and he was pained to see the plight of his brethren squatting on roads during winter. Expressing his solidarity with the protesting farmers, Gajjan not only carried the flag of the Kirti Kisan Morcha, but also walked around the village with his newlywed wife immediately after returning home with a marriage party to register his protest against the farm laws.
The only ones supporting them are Pakistan and Khalistanis. The only ones supporting these people who pretend to be the voice of farmers, which they are not. There is Khalistani support which is coming in for whatever little relic is left of this so-called farmers movement.
After the abrogation of Article 370, Kashmir comes under the direct governance of the centre, the BJP government. If men with guns can walk around so freely killing people in Naya Kashmir, some questions should be asked of those who are in charge. If minorities today are feeling unsafe in Kashmir, then questions should be asked from people who claim to be the biggest protectors of Kashmiri Pandits. But who will ask these questions when most of these guys are busy serving those they should be asking questions of? News media recently witnessed a big BJP event. Some called it the India Today Conclave. Here we got to see how needy and grateful journalists sit and bask in the benevolent glow of those in power. So rather than question them when they have a chance, all they do is bajao tali, grovel and just watch this.
Sir, ruko, abhi mahal banate hain. Can we have some music, please? So can we have a round of applause as we get the Union Sportsmen Club to show us some skipping, please? अच्छे से, louder, louder, louder.
खून में तेरे मिट्टी, मिट्टी में तेरा खून. ऊपर अल्लाह, नीचे धरती, बीच में तेरा जुनून. रे सुल्तान.
Wow, Anurag Baba ne skipping ki. What a wonderful Babalog moment.
Can we have a warm round of applause for Anurag Thakur? To come and start skipping in the way that he did was pretty awesome.
This really reminds me of satisfied faces of mothers at baby pageants when their toddlers perform a clever trick. आज बाबा लोग ट्रिक करके दिखाएंगे. माहौल बनाओ, म्यूजिक ऑन करो. Wow, so cool. बाबा लोग is skipping. Wow, so good.
अब मैं एक नर्सरी राइम सुनाऊं?
सुनाओ.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. देश के गद्दारों को
गोली मारो सालों को. Come on, audience. माहौल. माहौल.
देश के गद्दारों को गोली
मारो सालों को.
I want some more माहौल.
देश के गद्दारों को
गोली मारो सालों को.
Can't wait for next year's conclave. I hope we graduate from skipping to a little more complicated trick like asking real questions of those in power. I won't be holding my breath for that.
Pay to keep news free, otherwise journalism will be like this only. Log on to news30.com. Subscribe. बहुत कब करवाते हैं लोग.
Yes, pay to keep news free. That's all the nuisance we have for you this week. We will be back next week. Until then, stay mad. That's the only way. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this episode. Please don't forget to watch our episode on Daily Motion or Facebook. We still are not able to upload any of our shows on YouTube, but we really need you guys to continue to watch our shows and support us. So please watch this on Daily Motion and watch it on Facebook. The experience is as smooth as YouTube. And you can also share Facebook links very easily. So when you like it, like the Facebook link, we'll share the link in the description. And also share that Facebook link with as many people as possible. Please, we witnessed a drop in our views. That's not really nice, because if we have to fight this, we need you guys. And till we come back on YouTube, please support us and go to any of the platforms and watch our shows and share our shows. Thank you so much.